Walking every day is an excellent exercise for overall health and for fat loss. So why are you walking every day but not losing any fat? Well, there's a good reason. You're probably not walking the right way if fat loss is your main goal. Walking is one of the smartest things you can do for your body. It's joint friendly, it lowers stress, it improves insulin sensitivity, and it helps appetite control. And for many people, it's the one habit they can actually stick to. That's why walking, especially first thing in the morning, has helped so many people start losing fat. But there's a version of walking that quietly stops results cold, and most people don't realize they're doing it. Let's be clear up front. Walking is powerful, and fasted walking in particular has real advantages. When you walk fasted, insulin is low, fat mobilization is higher, and your body is primed to use stored fuel. And that's why so many people see early success with fasted walking. Fasted walking absolutely helps fat loss when the rest of the equation is aligned. And that's the key phrase I want you to focus on. Fasted walking increases the percentage of fat used for energy. And that's a good thing. That's why it works. And that's why it stays in my toolbox. But fat loss still comes down to total calories over time. Fasted walking helps tilt the scale in your favor. It just doesn't override everything else that you're going to be doing for the day. Now, let's talk numbers for a moment, because this is where expectations matter the most. For most men and women, a 1-mile walk burns about 80 to 120 calories. A 30-minute walk is usually 100 to 150 calories. An hour of steady walking lands around 200 to 300 calories. So if someone wants to burn 300 to 500 calories through walking alone, well, that's 90 minutes, sometimes 2 hours of walking every day. That's doable for some, but not realistic for most. 1 pound of body fat equals roughly 3,500 calories. So fat loss happens when a consistent calorie deficit exists day after day and week after week. Walking contributes to that deficit, but it usually represents a small piece and not the whole pie. And this is where walking can either help you or do nothing at all. And here's the problem. If you're walking, even fasted, but eating in a large calorie surplus, fat loss will stall. If your surplus is small, say 100 to 200 calories, walking can absolutely close that gap for you. But if your surplus is 500, 700, or 1,000 plus calories a day, walking simply cannot outwork those numbers. And that's the version of walking that will never drop belly fat. Not because walking doesn't work, but because the math does not line up. Here's where walking does shine. For most people, the sweet spot is a daily 1-mile walk, often done fasted and then paired with a 200 to 300 calorie deficit. It's low stress, it's highly sustainable, and there's no extreme cardio involved. And that's when walking quietly melts fat over time, including belly fat. So here's the real truth without sugarcoating it, no pun intended. Walking in a large calorie surplus will never drop belly fat, but fasted walking paired with a small realistic deficit, that's one of the most effective long-term strategies that there is out there for fat loss.